Lawns may seem simple, but it's actually a delicate monoculture, thousands of individual plants competing for the same resources. Like an iceberg, what you see on the surface is only a small part of the picture. Beneath lies an extensive root network that drives the lawn's health, strength and colour. The right nutrients can make all the difference in supporting this underground system. And that's exactly where Sudden Impact for Lawns comes in. Sudden Impact for Lawns is an organic-based, nutritionally boosted fertiliser specifically designed for new and established lawns. It's also perfect for non-flowering plants like hedges, herbs, leafy greens, conifers and palms. The ready-to-use hose-on is a convenient way to apply it. Simply attach the hose, remove the pins and turn on the tap. Apply Sudden Impact for Lawns every 4 weeks from spring to autumn on all lawns, hedges and other non-flowering varieties. The water will mix with the concentrate at the correct ratio. Just kick the bottle upright, use an arc motion and water it in. When you're finished, just switch the tap off, remove the hose and replace the pins. Apply Sudden Impact for Lawns every 4 weeks from spring to autumn on all lawns, hedges and other non-flowering varieties. Sudden Impact for Lawns is a dual-purpose fertiliser coated with Nutrog's advanced soil biological, Populate. Together, they provide a full range of nutrients from the Sudden Impact for Lawns granules with a diversity of beneficial bacteria and fungi from Populate. This then feeds the lawn while also providing specific functional microbes to protect and enhance plant health and build resilience against disease. Visit the Nutrog website for more information or call into your local garden centre to shop the Nutrog range.